IoT protocol standardization. In this, we are going to see about the types of IoT protocols. These IoT protocols used for communication through so many devices. That is M2M protocol, that is Zigbee, Bluetooth, Modbus, MBus, etc. That is wireless sensor networks protocol, that is called WSN protocols, which enables data acquisition from distributed sensors. And some of the key protocols are Modbus, IEEE 802.1.5.4, Zigbee. These are for standardized communication. These are IoT protocol standardization. Then machine-to-machine communication. What is machine-to-machine communication means? The exchange of data between machines or devices without human intervention. The features of M2M communication are efficiency, connectivity, it has highly security mechanisms and is measurable. That is called scalability. Then architecture diagram, it consists of M2M area network, M2M gateway and application domain. M2M area network consists of embedded hardware modules, sensing communication. It uses Zigbee, Bluetooth and Modbus protocols. M2M gateway acts as a protocol translator. It enables virtual node representation. Then application domains are, it is used in smart metering, home automation, industrial automation, smart grid enterprise applications. Then what are the differences between M2M and IoT? In what are the aspects it differs means protocols, devices, emphasis, data storage and applications. These are some of the key differences between IoT and M2M. Next, message queuing telemetry transport. This is a lightweight publish subscribe messaging protocol for M2M IoT connectivity. It is lightweight, that is minimal overhead. That is subscription. Clients publish or subscribe their topics through a broker. The real time means fast delivery like WhatsApp. Asynchronized support. No need for simultaneous client server connection. Quality service levels, that is message reliability guaranteed at multiple quality of service levels. Then TLS security, that is encryption and authentication for secure data transport. These are about message queuing telemetry transport. Then what are the components of MQTT architecture means? It consists of message, client and the server and the content, the topic. Message means it carries payload data and QoS level collection of properties. Then what's the topic name? Client. Client means publisher or subscriber roles. Server acts as a broker. Server accepts connections, receives messages and process and forwards messages to the clients. That's the duty of the server. Then topic means label on each message matched against a subscription. Example, temperature. Then constrained application protocol. The definition of constrained application protocol is a specialized web transfer protocol for constrained nodes and the networks in IoT. The message types are confirmable, non-confirmable, acknowledgement and reset. What are the key features means? Works for devices in same network types. It enables data transmission to and from the network modes. It is suitable for SMS over mobile networks. It supports resource limited IoT applications and minimal cost burden on devices. Then IPv6, that is Internet Protocol version 6 over low power wireless networks. This provides upper layer system for low power wireless IoT M2M communication. The components are Internet Protocol version 6 compatible, end-to-end Internet Protocol, low power, E2E security, small footprint and mesh routing. These are some of the features of these low power wireless networks. Advanced message queuing protocol. The purpose of the protocol is to transfer business messages between applications. That is exchanging messages and stores messages in database, links and exchange queue, defines routing criteria. It supports TCP and UDP, that is Transmission Control Protocol, and User Datagram Protocol for end-to-end encryption. DDS, that is Data Distributed Service. The purpose of DDS is middleware bridging database and user applications. The quality of service, that is high quality through multicasting. It is the applications are it is used in hospital, military, wind farms, and tracking systems. Next is extensible messaging and presence protocol. The features of this protocol is extensible design, open standard, client server architecture. It supports TCP based protocols. The advantages means end-to-end encryption and quality of service. The applications are in spot modes, gaming consoles, and IoT scenarios requiring human interaction. These are some of the applications of extensible messaging and presence protocol. Next is WSN, that is wireless sensor networks. This is a specialized networks of spatially distributed sensors that monitor the physical environment conditions. The components are sensors, radio nodes, wireless LAN access point, and evaluation software. What are the fields it is applied means IoT, security monitoring, environment detection, that is temperature, humidity, air pressure, etc. Noise level monitoring, it is used in medical, that is patient monitoring. It is used in agriculture. Also, wireless sensor networks is used in landslide detection. The advantages and disadvantages of wireless sensor network are: advantages is low cost, no wired connection needed, energy efficient operation, easily scalable, and real-time monitoring. Overall, it is flexible. Then what are the disadvantages? Means limited wireless range, limited processing power, data security risk, wireless interferences, and frequent battery replacement.